Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7, and let me show you how to add profile picture to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts, locate this one that you would like to change profile picture in, and then click on edit icon. Now tap on the profile picture and choose the source that you would like to put your wallpaper from. So it can be either some photo from your gallery, or you can take a photo if somebody is staying in front of you. So I will pick something from the gallery because, as you can see, I've got only the monitor in front of me. Let's go to photos, recents, and let me choose this one. Now you can personalize it and then click on OK to save it. Tap on confirmation mark, and this is it. As you can see, from now on, this picture will appear once Tiny will be calling me. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change profile picture in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.